Children, next we are going to learn about spontaneity and randomness. Careful examination shows that, for example, melting of ice and evaporation of water, there is increase in randomness or disorderness of the system. The water molecules in ice are arranged in a highly organized pattern which permits only little movement in ice. There is perfect arrangement of molecules. But when ice melts, the water molecules become disorganized and can move freely. When ice becomes water, the water molecules can freely move. The movement of the molecules become more free in the vapor phase. When this water converted to water vapor, here the molecules are more free to move when compared to this liquid phase. So in other ways we can see randomness of the water molecule increases as ice melts into water or water evaporates. So based upon this, what is standard entropy change? Standard always, already I taught superscript you have to keep, so delta S naught. It is in standard condition. The absolute entropy of a substance at 298 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure is called standard entropy. It is given in book page 212. Absolute entropy of a substance at 298 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure is called standard entropy. So if for a chemical reaction, delta S naught R given as summation of S naught products minus summation of S naught reactants. So based upon this we can work out on problem. Standard entropy of formation. Formation means formation of a compound from elements. That is entropy of formation of 1 mole of a compound from the elements under standard conditions. That is delta S naught F. It is given in the book. Entropy, standard entropy of formation. So based upon this problem, carbon plus oxygen giving carbon dioxide. This is the product. These two are reactants. So products minus reactants. Products S naught CO2 minus reactants S naught C plus S naught O2. Value is given. You have to add and get the answer. Based upon this, this problem also can be worked out. Next, entropy change for a phase. When there is a change of state from solid to liquid, that is called as melting. Liquid to vapor called evaporation. Then solid to vapor sublimation. This and all carried out constant temperature. So it is given as del S is equal to del H reversible by temperature upon temperature. Del H reversible upon temperature. So from this, what is entropy of fusion? Fusion. Heat absorbed when 1 mole of a solid melts at its melting point, that is called molar heat of fusion. That is delta S reversible is equal to dq, that is delta H fusion upon temperature. Next, entropy of vaporization. So vaporization, the heat absorbed when 1 mole of a liquid. Fusion means solid, vaporization means liquid, boiled at its boiling point, and the solid means melting point, melts at its melting point. Here vaporization, liquid boiled at its boiling point, reversibly called molar heat of vaporization. That is del S reversible is equal to del H vaporization at TB. TB means boiling point. Here TF means the fusion point. So next, entropy of transition. Transition means the heat change when 1 mole of a solid changes reversibly from one allotrophic form to another. at its transition temperature is called enthalpy of transition. The change is given as delta S reversible is equal to del H transition by temperature for the transition, that is transition temperature. So here also we can work out one problem based upon this. So delta H fusion given, fusion temperature. So formula del H fusion by temperature, this value 6008 by 273, and we are getting this value. One of the important problem. Based upon this you can work out this problem also. Everything given in book page number 211, 212 and 213. The definitions only have to learn. Standard entropy, entropy change of formation, then entropy of fusion, entropy of vaporization, entropy of transition. These definitions you can mark in the book.